In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print from Pandadoc. Pandadoc is a popular document automation tool that helps streamline document workflows. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, need a hard copy for meetings, or just want a physical backup, printing directly from Pandadoc is a straightforward process. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Pandadoc account. Firing up your preferred web browser, head over to the Pandadoc website and enter your login credentials. Once you are successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. This is the hub of all your document activities. Next, you need to navigate to the Documents section. On the left-hand menu, you'll find the Documents tab. Click on it to see a list of all your documents. This is where you can access every document you've created or that has been shared with you on Pandadoc. From the list of documents, identify the one you need to print and click on it. This action will open the document in the Pandadoc interface. It's important to preview the document here to ensure everything looks correct and is ready to be printed. Now focus your attention on the top right corner of the interface. You'll see a three-dot menu, often referred to as the Settings menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Print. This is where the magic begins. What Pandadoc does is generate a PDF version of your document. Keep in mind that while it's generating, you might need to be a bit patient, especially if the document is lengthy or contains a lot of images. Once the PDF is ready, it will open automatically in a new tab of your browser. This makes it super handy because you can quickly give it a final check before proceeding. With the PDF open, look towards the top right of your browser window. You'll see another Print button. Click it to launch the standard print dialog of your operating system. Here you can make various printing selections tailored to your needs. You'll want to set up essentials like the number of pages you intend to print, the number of copies you require, and decide between color or black and white. Don't forget to specify your paper size. Standard options like A4 or letter size are usually available, depending on your printer's settings. Ensure everything aligns with your preferences. Finally, hit the Print button to kickstart the printing process. Depending on your printer and the size of the document, the printing might take a minute or two. And that's it. You've successfully printed your document from Pandadoc. We hope this guide makes your document workflows more efficient. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to refer back to this video for guidance. Happy printing and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials on maximizing your productivity with Pandadoc. Thanks for watching.